Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're taking a look at TEREZ gym favorites. So this is part one of a three-part series, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the other parts. First, we are going to take a look at a cute little sports bra. This is in the colorway Aqua Mini Stars Foil, and it's the Uplift sports bra. Now, I've been really curious about TEREZ for a very long time. I think I've had some experience, but not kind of a full experience like this. So we really are going to find out what is the hype. Does it compare to Lululemon or Alo Yoga? You know, I'm a huge fan, and we showcase a lot of those brands on this channel. So let's take a look at the competition and see how it holds up. So taking a look at this sports bra before we even try it on, the material feels pretty thick. It feels kind of silky, glossy. I would actually compare it a little bit more to maybe a Nike or like a premium Nike instead of a Lululemon or Alo Yoga. It just feels a little bit less buttery smooth, which is kind of what I expect from those brands, from Alo and Lulu, and more of like a very sturdy athletic brand. Okay, next up we have the pink bandana super high duo knit legging. Now I believe these might be a bandier exclusive. And of course they have so many different prints and vibes in these leggings. So you can really choose the one that speaks to you the most. Now the most interesting thing that I found about these leggings is that the waistband is actually really structured. I don't know if I would necessarily even call this control top because it didn't feel like it was really pulling me in. It might be due to the size that I tried. I did try a small, and I'm usually an XS or an S in Alo and a size 6 in Lulu. So I'm not really sure how that compares to TEREZ, but overall it was a lot more comfortable and kind of silky smooth than I was expecting. Now this pant does come with a matching sports bra, which I did not pick up, mainly due to selection. So keep that in mind that this is not necessarily what I would pair it with. Now trying both of these items on together, I felt like if they were a little bit better matched, I would like it a little bit more, but I did kind of like both pieces. I especially liked the fit of both pieces. I think if this is the type of fit, type of coverage that you're looking for, these are both really great options. Okay, next up we're going to take a look at a jumpsuit. So this is the monogram Crossover-Back Jumpsuit. And this I tried in an extra small. So as I mentioned, I'm usually an extra small or a small in an Alo Yoga and a size 6 in Lulu. And you might be able to see once I put this on, I thought it was kind of in between sizes. So this ran a little bit smaller, whereas I felt the sports bra and the leggings were a little bit bigger. Now overall, I really love this print. I know that it is T for TEREZ, but it also kind of just disappears and looks like a mod kind of print. I also love the placement of the seams. There's kind of a really high waist placement, which is always elongating. And I love the low back. I also think that's pretty flattering. This does of course come with a shelf lining inside, so you don't have to wear a separate bra. Overall, I think it fit well. However, I do think it was a little short in the torso. I had to elongate the straps to the maximum length for this to fit. Okay, last up we have the Bliss Twist front long sleeve tee in black raspberry. That is a tongue twister. Try saying that 10 times fast. So my overall impressions with this tee is that it is really buttery soft. I really did like the material. I thought it was distinct from what you would find with a buttery soft Lulu material. It felt a little bit more like a crossover between a cotton kind of everyday shirt and an athletic athleisure wear shirt. So I do think this was a sweet spot that kind of was not answered previously by my other favorite brands. I wasn't the biggest fan of the knot in the front, but I guess it does add some sort of style. Out of all of the items that I picked up, I felt like this would go with any of them, even as a cover-up if you're, going to or from a gym and you want something in a lighter weight material. I felt like this was a really great option. That is all we have for our gym faves review. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for the next parts.